We are standing in this home in Rockdale County, a brick ranch home sitting on just a little under an acre lot. Y'all are going to love this home. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a traditional feel with a luxury touch. Come on in and let's see this home. As soon as you come in this grand entryway, you are really amazed at the archways and the details in this home. Right by the front door, you have a closet for coats, and then you also have a half bathroom right here, really convenient for guests. So we're actually going to start on this side of the home because the primary suite is right here. So we come in to the tray ceiling, and the best part, a fireplace right here. It is so cozy in this room. You're gonna love it. And we come in through the double doors into this ensuite, more archways, high ceilings, 2 vanities. It's gorgeous in here, and you even have a jetted tub with a custom tile around. Right through this door, we have his and her sides of the closet. And they're about the same size, so you don't have to fight over it. We're gonna go right into the living room area. So you can make this your formal living room. You really can make it whatever you want, but it's plenty of space and lots of light coming in before we head to the family room. Another cozy space with a fireplace, and again, look at this mantle. These details, the traditional feel, it's absolutely gorgeous in here, y'all. We come into the breakfast area and kitchen area. This door, you have one of the best parts of this home, a game day porch. Perfect for entertaining. This lot is really beautiful because it's tree lined for privacy and it's not too much of a slope. So here you can put your table for your breakfast area. And the heart of the home is the kitchen. And this is a pretty impressive kitchen, y'all. Loving all the finishes, all the details, and your 5-burner gas stove with the hood. So right on the other side of the kitchen, we're right back at the front of the home in this dining space. Let's go down this hallway. Right here, you have the laundry room, and through that door, you have the garage. You have a closet right here. And then bedroom number 2. Decent sized bedroom. And that's the good thing about this home. There are 3 bedrooms on the main level. So right through this door, you have a 3-piece bathroom before coming into bedroom number 3. So it's a good sized room as well. So now we're gonna head upstairs and see the remaining 2 rooms and a bonus. As soon as you come upstairs, you have the bonus room immediately to the right. And this is a pleasant surprise. Lots of room to do whatever you need in here. We come on down the hall. You have a full bathroom right here. And then you have bedroom number 4. Another good guest room. And finally, bedroom number 5. Very spacious in here. Lovely space for anything that you need. If you are interested in this home, give me a call and we can work out an amazing deal for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you at the next home.